there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1975 Triumph TR-6 convertible. It's finished in its correct and original Mimosa yellow with chestnut brown interior. This car is a factory 4-speed overdrive car, really desirable car here. Original steel wheels. We purchased this car recently from the state of Wisconsin, and we bought it from a family. The husband, the grandfather in the family just passed away, left it to his daughter, and she put the car up for sale. It was his absolute pride and joy. He had this car restored over a period of time, and I think the restoration is probably 5 to 6, 7 years old. So there was really no expense spared cosmetically. Fresh paint, new interior, mechanicals are in great condition. Wheels, tires, exhaust system, brakes, and so yeah, just a stunning TR-6 factory overdrive car, which is really desirable. So I'll just take you panel by panel here. Really lovely car, great gaps. This, I believe, is the factory original color. I didn't see a color change anywhere on it. Bumpers are in really good condition. They're the originals. So is all the bright work. So this to me was just this perfect virgin TR-6 that he had completely cosmetically restored. Windshield's brand new on the car. All the trim is very, very high quality. All vinyl seats, matching panel kit. All the dashboard was restored. It's got this knockout Modalita style steering wheel. So it looks like the crash pads and the plinth was all done. The center console. Yeah, the door panels are a matching panel kit. Very good quality carpet in here. So, you know, nothing was really skimped on here. Matching chestnut brown soft top boot to the rest of the interior. So you can see it there, just really lovely trim. I'm driving this car tomorrow, so we'll do the driving video and I'll give you a running report of its driving condition. I did notice a couple tiny things popping through the paint. A little tiny bubble here and there, but very, very little, nothing really to write home about. Yeah, that's it. Just a couple tiny spots that have just worked their way out slowly, but nothing to be alarmed about. The undercarriage is fantastic, completely bone dry, rust free, accident free. Suspension looks really good. All the chassis is lovely straight. You know, floors are original and rust free. So it was a really, really good, well taken care of car. Let me show you the engine compartment. Yeah, so here's the engine compartment. As you can see, very nicely detailed. When they did paint the car, they painted the back of the hood, and it looks like they painted all in the engine compartment, refreshed it. So that's all beautiful, pretty new paint. It looks like it's got a new radiator. Mechanically, the car feels really good just driving it around the yard, but we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna take it out on the road tomorrow and give a running report. I love this period, you know, this aftermarket solid aluminum valve cover really quiets the engine down, and that's a really good bonus. So yeah, really lovely engine, detailed engine compartment, but just clicks shut. All the panels fit great. Doors just click shut like they should. I'll show you the overdrive switch here. This is your overdrive switch clicking in and out. I think up is out of overdrive and down is into overdrive. So, but yeah, really attractive, nicely restored TR-6. Super good value. You know, you're going to be spending 30, 40 grand nowadays to make a TR-6. To restore one and put it into this condition, you're gonna be spending like 10 for paint and mechanicals and wheels and tires and parts and upholstery, and you know, this car is completely done. It's absolutely on the button, completely done, ready to go. And 75 TR-6 Mimosa yellow on chestnut, 4-speed overdrive, disc wheels, factory overdrive car, and it's for sale right now on our website. Hi there, it's Kurt. Yeah, we just did the previous walk around on this car in the booth, so I'll just wanted to do another one here, give you my driving impressions. So the speed on this car reads 90, I believe it's 94,000. Yeah, 94,000 miles. Drives very, very well. Very quick, great gearbox. Drives really lovely. I mean, just like a TR-6 should. Brakes, clutch. I can feel on the clutch pedal a little bit of firmness. That tells me there was a new clutch put in this car, but it should have been anyways. This car's been fully restored. Fresh paint, interior, mechanicals as needed. It's a really, really lovely Mimosa on Chestnut 75 TR-6. It's got factory overdrive. I tried the overdrive switch a couple times. It's not currently responding. It's right here, but usually it's just a relay, or the solenoid needs adjustment, or some simple thing like that. Yeah, overall just a knockout of a driver. Really lovely thing. Show you this interior right here. Yeah, chestnut boot cover. The top's black. Dashboard's all been restored nicely. Sun visors, lovely steering wheel there. But yeah, here's a chance to see the car in the natural sunlight. So 1975 TR-6, Mimosa on Chestnut, black top, 4-speed with its factory overdrive. This is a factory fitted overdrive car. Disc wheels. Excellent running driving car, no issues whatsoever. Just goes down the road absolutely like it should. So it's really well sorted out, really well dialed in, nicely restored not too long ago. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.